Hello, hi guys. This video is about trying to help you market real estate online properly. Now, um, over the years, people have been organizing seminars and trying to, lure people into come and learn how to market real estate online and all that. Yeah, sure. The digital way is the right way to go, but there are certain things that people are not paying attention to that I like to call to your attention. Marketing real estate online requires certain skill and ability. Trying to sell online, anything online, is not just about attending a seminar or a training. You need to possess some basic skill and understanding of how it works. Most of the charlatans you have just to, okay, come, let's have a training. You come, you just, mumbo jumble it, and it doesn't work at the end of the day. So I get to hear people saying this digital marketing thing doesn't work, this social media thing doesn't work. Really, really. Anyway, okay, so firstly, I'd like to share certain things with you. I Over time, I've noticed that when people want to start real estate, the first thing that comes to your mind is, oh, okay, get a Facebook page, um, post, do this, then post on your Facebook, and run an ad straight away, and then you get customers, and then people will start liking and really. Okay, ever wondered? Have you ever wondered how people, if you want to buy a property yourself, how you would search for a property online? Or you think, is it possible that everybody that wants to buy a property just goes to Facebook immediately, goes to Instagram, goes to Twitter? I mean, it's called social media. They go there for social activities. Now, people that buy properties are serious minded people, so they actually want to buy a property. That means if they're coming online, they are going to one place. Now let me show you, let me just try to illustrate what I'm trying to say. Right now, this is about 8 8 um 8:26 a.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, but so okay, I like to show you a site called, yes, Internet Live Stats. Now this Internet Live Stats gives you a real time, it gives you a real time data of what's happening in the world, like right now. Okay, so you you see that there are over 4 billion people online and over 1 point something million websites, and okay, this is over this amount of emails, and this is as in just for today. This is about 8:27 a.m. this morning, and the figures are going high. This is the Google search for today. Now, and the figures are going high. So I want you to imagine what it looks like before the end of the day. So basically, then okay, you can see your Facebook user, you can see how it goes, active users. So now you have, on a scale of 1 to 20, there's something called the 80/20 rule. Now the 80/20 rule says that invest 80% of your time in yielding in things that yield higher profits, and 20% of your time in the ones that you know you know maybe you try to get collective. So in marketing, you are going to do 80% of what would work ordinarily, and 20% of trying to just still keep the scraps. Never can tell where it will come from. Okay, so um this is what I want you to pay attention to. Everybody, most of the time, 80% of people that buy properties first go to Google and search for properties, and then they just come here and say um maybe they want to buy a duplex, and they say duplex in Lagos, for instance. That's what they would do. and enter. That's basically what they first do. So what happens is that, they look at the first guys, the second guys, and then, so you can see these guys who have sites. You can see how, you see how they come on top of the list. And now you are advertising, nobody's seeing it, so these guys come on top of the list. So now just imagine if you took advantage of this opportunity and understand how important it is to actually have a website. Because really, a Google listing is everything that would actually help you in real estate. You can't succeed in real estate if you do not have a website. You can't succeed. No, you just, honestly, you can't succeed. So it's going to be, you're going to really run up and down. Doesn't You can't succeed online. Of course you can succeed offline, but basically you're going to keep running up and down. So one of the things that is very important for us to know, that firstly, is that you're going to be needing a website. That's one. And two, you're not just a website. Of course, anybody can just build a website and so, but there are specific type of websites that you need to market a real estate company. Now, if it falls short, low below it, you're also going to, you're probably not going to be seen at all. So you waste your money on a website and still not get results. That's very certain. The truth about it is that people that actually buy properties more actually go on Google first before they go elsewhere, before they go on Twitter, before they go on Instagram, before they go on Facebook. Is why they are on Facebook having their social activities, on Instagram or Twitter, and then they bump into your post. That's when it actually does, strike them hard. And then of course, that means, of course, they googled you, because when they see, the next thing they do is they Google you to see. So when they Google you and they don't, you don't have, you don't have what they can properly relate to. All you have is just your Facebook page that posts and not, and of course, you know what happens now. You know what happens, of course. Then you start to come on Facebook and come everywhere and start to say that, this doesn't work, that doesn't work. Come on. Really, are you doing the right thing and it's not working? Or are you actually just, a lot of guys come and they start real estate, and then what comes to them, I say, I want to start small, so my budget is, I want to start in small but low budget. And are you kidding me? You want to sell a house of 50 million, 100 million naira, Banana Island? I don't know how you intend to do that, but of course, be my guest, run rounds, put a lot of money on Facebook ad and all that. Of course, we will learn the hard way. That's how we like to learn anyway. So anyway, that's not my point. My point is about trying to show you how to actually market yourself properly in real estate. So okay, it shows that definitely one of the things you need is a website, and of course, not just any website. You're actually going to be needing a classical real estate marketing site. Now, a classical real estate marketing site has up to it's if you build on WordPress, you need to have up to, it has up to 12 plugins, 12 to 13 marketing plugins that actually do a whole lot of things for you. So now this marketing plugins help you to find your way around and helps people to easily find you. Okay, so in this whole course, we're going to be talking about a whole lot of things. Now, of course, we're not ruling out social media from real estate marketing. Like, I like you to know that, of course, there's a large number of people on Facebook too also. So we're going to also be using the Facebook medium, Twitter and Instagram email marketing. We're going to be talking about them and seeing how best to maximize them. But firstly, I want you to know and bear in mind that, of course, if you don't have a website, we just tag along anyway. So okay, so we're going to be discussing a whole lot of stuffs, and then I'm going to be showing you deep things into Google Ads, how to get yourself ranking higher, how to get more sales using Google. So we're going to be talking about a whole lot of stuffs, because there are certain things that for a real estate marketing firm that wants to sell products on Facebook, on with Google, online at all anyway. So certain things we would have to look into consideration: the search ads, customer match, dynamic remarketing, a whole lot of stuff though, as in I just briefly. So we're going to be taking it all through by its process, and then I'm going to be having a lot of write-ups on the posts and videos to go along with it, so you could follow through and then probably have fun. So we're going to also be looking at basic top phase top basic Facebook tools that would actually help you market very well. Now look at it this way. Look at it like you are using 80%. You're using 80% of your internet time and internet resources, marketing on Google, and then you're using 20% on all other on social media, because really you're marketing real estate. I mean, you're not trying to sell you're not doing mini importation, of course, so you're not trying to sell one bag, one shoe, one lazy laptop charger or something. That's not what you're trying to sell. You're trying to sell a property, and I mean, you're talking about you're talking about things from over 100,000 and above. You're not selling. I mean, you're not doing mini importation, of course. So I mean, this is this way. Now you need to understand that it has to be 80% of 80% um, search marketing, and of course 20% social media. So now I want you to really understand that you can't throw away either of them. So social media is very key, and you're going to definitely need to use social media. So you can't throw it away. And then of course, I mean, if you throw away your site, then you know what comes with it then. So okay, so we're going to be talking about how to properly do all of this, and then how to get the most of them, and then of course we're going to go deep into the processes of how to achieve all of this and get the the best results. I'm certain that after this you are going to be wowed, and you're going to probably have seen things that you didn't know existed, and how to actually sell up. Now for a lot of people that don't really understand what I've been trying to say about using Google search, like you're going to be seeing certain things that actually help you sell on Google. So okay, I don't want to I try to make all the videos very short and not talk too much, so that videos can be, you can actually not make it too long, so that we can actually watch them in bits. So okay, welcome to this course, and then let's go ahead and see how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much. So just keep watching, and we have a lot to go. All right, then, so thank you so much for watching.